Cool. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is ideally, if you choose to do this in a career, you'll have this data, most likely you have a computer. And fun fact, in your statistics class next year, you have a calculator the entire way, like the whole exam has calculated everything. So you don't have to worry about the quick maths since you have a calculator. So the first thing you want to do is reorganize this number set and write it from least to greatest. So it's going to be 1, 3, 3, 5, and 10. I know the threes are repeating, but you still have to write them. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is find the average of these numbers. So all we have to do is add all the numbers together, and divide them by the quantity of numbers that we summed. So I have 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 10. Quick maths. What is this? 6 plus 1. That's what? 7 plus 5. 22? Question mark? Anyone? Yes, no? Yes, thanks. Okay. So yeah. Oops. So I have 22 as a total. So now how many numbers did I actually add up together? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to go ahead and divide 22 by 5. 22 by 5. And that should give me my average, which is, can we get a calculator for this? 22 divided by 5. That is 4.4. That is the mean. So if someone tells you, hey, you're mean, you tell them, no, I'm average, you know, then you're golden. Okay. Median. So for the median here is the one that happens in the middle. So median is the middle. So after you organize them from least to greatest, you just check out which one is in the middle. So what I used to do when I was in school, I would get my fingers, and you can't really see it on the screen, but I would put my fingers and I would cover them. So this would be my finger. So would this be one finger right here, and this would be another finger, and I would just cover them like that, and then I would be left one. So the median would be 3 in this case, you know, and then it looks like Illuminati like that. Okay. But anyways, so the next thing that I want you to know is if there's two numbers, like let's say alternate example, let's say those two numbers, I don't know, 3 and 3, I don't know. If those two numbers here in the middle, what would happen? Do we remember what would happen if those two numbers in the middle? Yeah, you add them together and you average these two. Yeah, you guys are so smart. So add them together and you average the two numbers. So in this case, it will be 3. Yeah, add them together and divide by 2. Pretty cool. Ready? Find the mode. Which one is the one that's happening most often? So the first thing I want to do is rewrite everything. So 1, 3, 3, 5, and 10. And I can see easily that here, the one number that came out most often was a 3. Okay, then wasn't that bad. What is the range? So remember, the range is the highest number, which in this case is 10, minus the lowest number, which in this case is a 1. So I subtract them and I get that my range is 9. It's 9.